We've all gotta eat, smart shoppers, but the good news is we don't just find you deals at all the restaurants. We also find you the best deals at the grocery stores. So check out the highlights.
Shop at Food City for sirloin cut pork chops or whole chicken fryers. They're on sale for just 97 cents per pound. At Bash's', get a deal on nearly the whole chicken. Pay 99 cents per pound for drumsticks, thighs, and leg quarters. You'll save more than half on raspberries. 6 ounces will cost you just 97 cents each. Wash it all down with cans of Coke or Sprite. 4 12-packs for just $8.88. Get a little more for that price at Albertsons. They have the 4 for $4.88 deal on Coke, Pepsi, 7-Up, and Dasani water. But you'll have to buy 4 in order to get that deal. Can't forget the snacks. Albertsons has Lay's, Fritos, Cheetos, and Bean Dip for $1.49. But you have to buy 3 or expect to pay the regular price of $2.99 each. Back to drinks, Safeway has a digital coupon for 2 liters of Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. Pay just 49 cents each, which is an awesome deal. Or if you prefer Powerade, they have 32-ounce bottles for 49 cents each. Also a great deal on red or green seedless grapes, just 75 cents per pound. And eggs are good any time of day, especially when they're on sale. Pay 99 cents and get large AA Lucerne eggs. For more deals, go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.
And Danielle, you just mentioned it. What we're seeing in the grocery stores.
Candy!
Woo!
Yeah. There's a lot of it out there.
Yes, and we've got to get ready for, oh, you take one of the, go
Save
for it,
that
Dan.
notice there's so much in there.
We got to get ready for Halloween, right? So we compared all the prices at the big box stores to find you the cheapest option.
Oh, I forgot to say trick or treat. Trick or treat.
There you go.
Well, we were saying it's surprising how expensive candy is, especially in the big bags like that. So
Totally.
we'll have to stay tuned. Get our candy fix.
Iris